Hello, my name is Sean Marino. I'm currently an associate art director with over a decade of game industry experience, focusing on hard surface and weapon design. In this series, we'll be taking a look at modeling a sci-fi pistol from an initial concept, and using a number of other references from classic shooters, we'll establish a general style target for our model. We'll begin the work in Maya by creating a rough blockout of the weapon, using that concept as a starting guide, and then taking some liberties to adjust where we need to. We'll take our model into ZBrush to do a little bit of sculpting as we create our final high poly. Once we have our final models, we'll head into Rizom UV Layout to unwrap and pack our UVs, and bake everything in Marmoset Toolbag. We'll then go into Substance Painter, where I'll cover the basics of creating a master material template, and then dive deep into detailing to get the look we're going for. The goal of this tutorial is not to cover specific software skills, as this workflow can generally be applied to the programs of your choice, but rather to teach you how I would approach modeling a weapon like this for production.